Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having this type issue that you're going to open your cellular settings but you're seeing a message that an update is required to use cellular data on your iPhone. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So there's a simple way to fix the issue. So you just have to open your settings here and then you have to make sure that you're connected to a stable and strongest Wi-Fi network. So once you have connected, you have to go back and go for general here and go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connected. And after that, you have to go back from here and then go for iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have almost 5 to 10 or 15 GB free in your iPhone storage depending on your software updates. So go back and then you have to make a software update to fix your issue. Open the software update section and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. Or if you find any pending software update, try to update your software. Once you have updated your software, you will not see the message again. Your issue will be fixed. Or if this doesn't work for you, so it might be that there will be issue with your network settings. So you have to reset all of your network settings. So go for general here, then go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings. Here, enter your passcode and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your network setting, it will be fixed in this step. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. It will just reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, your cellular, and your hotspot also. So here your issue will be fixed in this step. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.